Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Hello and welcome to Selenium for Beginners. In this video, I will cover how to switch to a frame. First is frame using WebElement. Let's walk through our application under test. First, we load the application. Then click the Login Sign Up hyperlink. Next, we click the link at the bottom. Log in, sign up with mobile number and password. Finally, we enter our number or email. This test script will fail and throw an exception if we do not switch to a frame. But which step requires a switch? We're going to switch after clicking the Login Sign Up hyperlink. Let's go to Eclipse and create our automation test script. We set up our test with System.setProperty on Chrome using driver equals new ChromeDriver. Then maximize the window. Driver.manage, .window.maximize. The test method is switch to frames. Now load the AUT driver.get. Add a dynamic wait statement. This here is an explicit wait statement for 5 seconds. Why add a wait statement? We are going to wait until 24/7 help shows up. I am going to reload the page and you will see how we wait until 24/7 help and these other elements show up. Finish the wait statement. You can watch video number 22 to see the benefits of an explicit wait. Now we click the Login Sign Up hyperlink. Driver.findElement by XPath. Click. The XPath value will contain text for login sign up. Then we wait for this dialog to load. We are going to wait for the bottom hyperlink because that's the link we will click. This is a customized XPath value for login sign up. I will create a video explaining how to create a customized XPath value. We add the wait statement, then click the link at the bottom. Last, we enter the phone number or email. Driver.findElement by ID. Send keys. Get the value for ID. Inspect the element. We see the value for ID is input_0. Send 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's run. Nothing happens after clicking the Login Sign Up hyperlink. Our test failed. Let's go back to our AUT and see why it failed. Right click and we see View Frame Source. That means this dialog is a frame or an iframe. It is like the example from our introduction when looking at frames in W3 schools. Notice the difference. When I right-click outside the iframe, we do not see View Frame Source. That lets us know we must switch before performing a command. Go back to Eclipse and switch to Frame. Driver dot switch to. The description states sends future commands to a different frame or window. In this IntelliSense, we see different methods for switching to a frame or window. We are going to switch to a frame. Here's the frame methods we reviewed in our introduction. Frame index selects a frame by its 0 base index. Frame string selects a frame by its name or ID. Frame WebElement selects a frame using its element. Select frame. Now let's inspect an element within the iframe dialog. We are going to inspect the bottom link. The blue highlighted part is the link, but let's scroll up to the iframe tag. This iframe tag has an src attribute that contains login. Control F to find the value. Let's write our customized XPath value. 2 forward slashes, iframe, opening and closing bracket, contains contains, opening and closing parenthesis, @ src, which is the attribute name, comma, 2 single quotes, login, login, is written inside the single quotes. The yellow highlight indicates we have located the iframe. Copy the value. Now let's switch to the iframe. Driver dot find element. By XPath. Then paste the value. Let's run. We see phone number 123-456-7890. Switch to frames, passed. Another way of writing the same test script is to declare a web element. I am going to copy and paste this code. Write web element. Name the object reference login. Next, we find the iframe and assign it to login. Since we already found iframe, the last step is to switch to the iframe, but this time we will use the object reference login. Driver dot switch to frame web element login. This is just another way of writing the same statement for frame web elements. The previous way used one line to find and switch to an iframe. This way uses 2 lines to find iframe, then switch to iframe. Let's change the phone number to an email. So when it runs, we see a different value, abc@email.com. Both methods, switch to frames and switch to frames underscore WebElement passed using frame WebElement. That's how we switch to a frame using WebElement. Thank you. And next, I will show you how to switch to a frame using frame string. The transcript, presentation, and the code will be available at tinyurl.com switch-methods and GitHub at Rex Jones II Selenium for Beginners.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's a Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.